Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to buy YouTube Premium. First thing first, open your browser and go to youtube.com/premium. If you're not already signed in, click sign in at the top right corner and log in with your Google account. Now on the premium page, click the Get YouTube Premium or Try It Free button if eligible for a free trial. You can choose between individual plan, family plan which is up to 5 family members, and student plan which requires verification. Now, enter your credit or debit card or link a PayPal account. Click Buy or Start Free Trial if available, and ads will be removed and you can download videos, play in the background, and access YouTube Music Premium as well. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.